This week
Oh
on
god, yeah, I don't want to lose my finger. That was really close.
Cooper's Fishing.
Yeah. Nico's pulling his up.
Well, it's coming up. If
Yeah.
the shark gets small.
Get the gaff ready and well, we hooked into sharks for sure. Look at that thing! Look at that! We can probably get him up
You have
at
some real long nose plot. I don't want this thing in the boat. He's gonna bite your toes
No,
off.
take him the boat. Oh yeah, get him.
Keep him high.
Is he off?
So you gotta keep tension on him. Not entire time like that.
Keep cranking.
You gotta pass it back here.
Yeah, you got one? Oh my lord. Holy. That thing was way bigger than it looked in the water. Alright, let's put it back.
Grab some pliers and just joint that thing.
Yep. There you go.
Got him? Bring him towards you. So I would grab that line and then.
You want the glove, Cooper?
Yeah, I might need the glove.
Oh god, yeah, I don't want to lose my finger. That was really close. He was like an inch away from biting off my finger when I did that. I'm not doing that again. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Oh! This was a stupid idea. Why did I do this? Fall down. Alright. Bye-bye.
Cooper's dripping.
Another one.
Yeah.
Bonnet head. Alright.
That's good.
One more shark.
Well, hi there, partner. Thanks for watching Cooper's Fishing, the best place to watch fishing.